Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum, sold by Lefant Robot Vacuum. Introducing the Lefant Robot Vacuum M210 Pro White with 2200 PA, strong suction, and 120 minutes runtime. From 2020 to 2023, we've evolved from the M201 to the advanced M210P model. Experience quieter cleaning with improved recharging efficiency in our latest generation robot vacuum. Our upgraded FreeMove Technology 3.0 uses infrared sensors to detect and avoid obstacles. Choose from 6 cleaning modes: zigzag, random, spot, wall, schedule, and manual control. The M210P intelligently boosts suction on carpets for optimal cleaning performance. Enjoy quieter cleaning with softer white noise, perfect for homes with babies and pets. Ideal for pet owners, the M210P's powerful suction and side brushes tackle pet hair effortlessly. No more tangled hair on roller brushes. Our brushless suction mouth keeps cleaning hassle-free. Improved auto recharging ensures the vacuum returns to its station when cleaning is done or battery is low. Connect to the app faster with expanded Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities for seamless control. Control the vacuum via the app, Alexa, or Google Assistant for a smarter cleaning experience. Download the Lefant app for additional features like real-time cleaning maps and locating your robot. Please click the link below for the best discount and offer.